Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to insert a cell in Excel. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. First, right-click on the cell you want to move to the right. After right-clicking, you'll see the option to Insert. Click on Insert, and a window will pop up. In that window, you'll find the option to shift cells right. When you click on it, you'll see the selected cell move to the right successfully. There's also an option to shift cells down. When you click this, the selected cell will move down. Additionally, you can choose to move the entire row down. And the last option is to shift the entire column to the right. When you select this option, the whole column will move to the right. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give it a like.